Student, today we will observe a magical trick about matrices. Now, if you multiply 3, 4, 6, 8 with itself, then you will find out that its answer is this one. Now, if you observe the phenomena, you will see that all the element in the answer is 11 times the matrices. Now, why this happen? We will find in the next step. Now, you can check if we can take the matrix like A, B, C, D and we multiply this matrix with itself. Now, it is very common phenomena. We know that we want to check that why it is going to be 11A, 11B and 11C and 11D as per our example. Now, if you multiply these two matrices, you will find that its answer is A square plus BC, AB plus BD, AC plus CD and last is BC plus D square. What you will find out? Now, if we put this into 11A, 11B and 11C as we are expecting the result. Now, you will check that A square plus BC is equal to 11A, AB plus BD is equal to 11B, AC plus CD is equal to 11C and at the last BC plus D square is equal to 11T. We can write it as first, second, third and fourth. We mark them as equations. Now, it is interesting. First, what you will do? Subtract fourth from the first. Now, if you subtract this fourth equations from first, now you will get A square minus D square is equal to 11 times A minus D and after solvation you will get A plus D is equal to 11. Now, the next thing which you are going to do 1 plus 4. Now, add this 1 in 4. Now, what we will find A square plus 2BC plus D square is equal to 11 times A plus D. Now, we can apply little bit algebra here and what is that? In this equations what we can do? We can write it as A square plus 2BC plus D square and we can add 2AD and subtract 2AD. And here you will get as it is. This is same as per this examples, but now here you can get A plus D whole square by using this and taking 2 common you will get BC minus AD is equal to 11 times A plus D. Now, if you can check it, we know that 11 plus D is equal to 11. A plus D is equal to 11. Now, put it 11, you will get 121, 2 times BC minus AD and 11 times 11. Now, this will cancel and what you will find? BC minus AD is equal to 0. Now, the condition for if we want to find out this kind of a result, तो the best condition for that is कि multiplication of BC is equal to AD. That means to say, if multiplication of BC and AD is equal to same, then this kind of phenomena will happen. Now you can take the examples like 2, 9, 2, 9. Now if you perform the square of this, now you will find out 22, 99, 22, 99. Now if you can take this one 3, 6, 4, 8 and perform this, so you will find out 33, 66, 44 and 88. This is all about this magical trick, and the basic feature is, if we get BC is equal to AD, out this magical trick presented to you by Sanjeev Kumar, PGT Maths, KV1, Bathinda.